If your GMC Sierra's vents are completely dead or only work on high speed, we are going to fix it right now. Statistically, over 85% of blower issues on this generation of GM trucks involve the resistor or its wiring harness. Before you start buying parts, let's run through the diagnostic sequence to find the exact point of failure. Start with the simple stuff like the 40-amp fuse under the hood before moving to the passenger footwell. The resistor pack lives in the airflow to stay cool, but corroded pins often lead to melted plastic connectors. If you hear a chirping or squealing sound, your motor bearings are shot and the unit should be replaced. This is one of the easiest DIY jobs on a Sierra, saving you hundreds in dealership labor costs. Most parts for this repair are very affordable, with the motor being the only significant investment. To replace the motor, just remove the hush panel and 3 7mm screws to drop the unit down. You only need basic hand tools for this, specifically a 7mm socket and maybe a pair of wire strippers. Pro tip: if you see any brown or melted plastic on the plug, replace the harness too, or you will be doing this again next month. Now that your air is blowing again, hit that subscribe button for more GMC maintenance tips. See you next time.